Ah, right, it's just a little wee shortcut to this path. Alright, okay, so it goes that away and that away. Yeah, I mean, you can probably have quite a lot of fun wandering around here. And we'll get some berries there. And that just goes round here a lot, and we go around. What the hell's that over there? Let's go and have a look. Somebody's put a little bit of their own graffiti on here. I have got an artist eye, you know. Kelpies Marina. Even though I was just thinking about photographers there, that's what I was thinking about, photographers. The sort of types of photographers that I think they're really amazing. This bag's really dodgy, by the way, my bag. This one is broken, right? So I've got to hang on to it. If I go jumping about weird places, you might find that I could... Oh look, it's stalkers. That's the River Carron. The River Carron there, right there. Pollock.